The iPad mini has always been one of Apple's most loved devices, small, powerful, and incredibly versatile. But according to new leaks, the iPad mini 8 arriving in 2026 could be the biggest upgrade in the mini's history. This isn't just a refresh. This could be a full transformation. Let's start with the headline feature, OLED. For the first time ever, the iPad mini is rumored to get an OLED display. That means perfect blacks, richer colors, higher contrast, and better power efficiency compared to LCD. Whether you're streaming movies, reading, gaming, or editing photos, OLED alone would make the mini feel like a completely new device. Even if Apple sticks to a 60Hz refresh rate, the jump to OLED is still massive. Leaks also suggest a slightly larger display, possibly growing from 8.3 inches to around 8.5 or even 8.7 inches, thanks to slimmer bezels. And because OLED panels are thinner, the new mini could be slimmer and lighter than ever. Now let's talk design. Apple may introduce water resistance for the first time on an iPad, potentially using a sealed design and vibration-based speakers. That would make the iPad mini perfect for travel, outdoor use, and even poolside reading. On the performance side, this is where things get serious. The iPad mini 8 is rumored to pack the A19 Pro chip. That's flagship-level power in a compact tablet, capable of AAA gaming, video editing, multitasking, and future Apple Intelligence features. In many ways, this could feel like a mini iPad Pro. Battery life should also improve. OLED efficiency combined with the A19 Pro could deliver up to 15 to 20% better battery life, pushing the mini closer to Pro-level endurance. Camera upgrades are expected too, especially on the front. A sharper center stage camera would make video calls, online classes, and content creation noticeably better. Connectivity may see a boost as well, with Apple's newer cellular modems offering faster speeds and better efficiency for users on the go. As for pricing, expect a bump. The iPad mini 8 could start around $599, but considering OLED, Pro-level performance, and premium features, it could still be one of Apple's best value devices. So when does it launch? Most leaks point to September 2026, possibly making it Apple's first major OLED transition device. The iPad mini 8 could become the ultimate compact tablet, powerful, portable, and premium. For students, travelers, gamers, and professionals who want serious performance in a small form factor, this could be the iPad that changes everything.